everybody, Steph Sparkles here. Okay, anyways, what we're gonna do today is a nice chemical peel. A DIY chemical peel. Okay, so this could go very wrong. I've never tried it before. I just looked up some recipes. I got an idea because I was watching John Cookian video, and he was talking about how salicylic acid is basically aspirin, an aspirin solution. So I thought, if that's true, couldn't I just make my own? Google. And sure enough, I found an really easy 4-ingredient recipe to do your own chemical peel at home. So wish me luck. But all you need for this is uncoated aspirin, which is surprisingly hard to find. They're all coated. And I already have it mixed in here. It was a tablespoon of baking soda mixed with a cup of water and some lemon juice. I know this doesn't look like lemon juice. It's a lemon that I sliced open the other day, but it was a huge fucking lemon. So it was still in the fridge, wrapped up in tin foil. So that's how I roll. Okay, so like I said, I already have the baking soda with the water in a separate cup here, because that's the second step to neutralize the mask. Now the first part of the mask is the lemon juice with the aspirin, because the aspirin is going to be the salicylic acid, and the lemon, I believe, has glycolic acid. I could be wrong. But, you know, I'm recording with my phone, so I don't feel like Googling it to see. Now what I saw, I think it called for 12 aspirin, so we'll do that. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 10, 11, 12. I swear counting is hard for me. Anything involving numbers. I certainly can't data entry numbers. I don't know what happens between my eye and my mind and my hands, but I can't do it. I'm not dumb. Anyway, everyone's smart in different ways. And then it didn't specify how much lemon juice, and I probably should have had like some pre-squeezed lemon juice and like not fresh squeezed. Because, I mean, I need to make this paste enough to cover most of my face. So I'm just going to squeeze as much as I can in here, which isn't much. Oh my God, I got hangnails with the lemon juice. See, I pulverized that bitch. The aspirin is pretty much dissolved, but I'm just going to take this spoon and smush it up a little. But I'm just going to take the foundation brush and soak it up. And just because the aspirin is mostly disintegrated in there, I want to move this around a lot to make sure it gets on there. Okay, so apparently the juice of half of a large lemon is more than enough. Feel it tingle. Could really feel it tingle. Okay, now you let that sit until it dries. I'm pretty sure the instructions said like 10 minutes. So we're gonna do that, and I am going to go wash this out because I'm certainly not gonna save this mixture. I don't want to chance my animals getting into it. So I'm gonna stop recording, and I will be back when it's time to remove. Okay, I am back. It's been, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes. And this doesn't feel like it's at all damp anymore. So now what I'm gonna do is take this big old cotton pad that I soaked in the water and baking soda solution. I'm gonna wipe this off. I'm gonna have to go splash this off. There's a lot of grit still, which I don't hate. Don't hate, exfoliate. That was the stupidest thing. Okay. I rinsed my face, but I didn't bring in a clean towel. So luckily I have these crazy, weird, giant cotton pads. My husband is so nice. He tries to get the right thing, but he always gets me strangely extravagant, very extra cotton pads when I put that on the list. And all I want is a simple, cheap one. Just, you know, for my clarifying lotion and eye makeup remover. It's a long day. I am gonna need to use my clarifying lotion, but I've got to tell you honestly, my skin feels hella smooth. Like I said, I know I did it wrong. There was too much lemon juice in there, but I didn't want to like get too much aspirin on my face and dry it the fuck out either. So, and the reason for the baking soda, it's supposed to neutralize the acid in the lemon juice so that after I take it off, you know, it's not, the pH isn't all crazy out of whack. So, I don't know. I mean, for as cheap as that was and as easy as that was, I'll be doing it again. So, add lemons to the grocery list for my food fee. That's what I call my husband. All right, so I'm gonna say my salicylic acid, glycolic acid at-home DIY chemical peel is a success. My sister's the scientist. Don't expect this to be scientific. All right, see you later. Bye.